How to create Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an Amazon account. If you are ready to shop online and access Amazon vast range of service, this video is for you. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open up your web browser and go to the Amazon official website. And once you are on Amazon homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and you will see sign in button. Hover your mouse over it and from the drop down menu, simply click on start here under the new to Amazon section. And you will be directed to the registration page. And here is what you need to do. In this page, you need to enter your name by typing in your first name and last name. You should enter your email address by providing your valid email address as this will use for the account verification and login. And once you are done with that, you need to create a password by selecting or typing the strong password that is at least 6 characters long by using the mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Next, confirm your password by re-entering the password to ensure it matches. And once you have filled out all the fields, simply click on Verify Email. And after doing that, Amazon will send you one-time password OTP to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox and find email from Amazon and copy the OTP. And once you have copied the OTP, simply come back to Amazon and paste the OTP that you have copied earlier. And once you are done with that, simply click on create your Amazon account. And your Amazon account is now fully set up. You can start exploring millions of products, manage your orders, enjoy the Amazon features like Prime Video, Kindle, and more. And that's it. You have successfully created an Amazon account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.